This needs to be looked up a little bit. Hey guys. Hello angels, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a kind of like a get out of the slump with me. And to anybody who's new, welcome to my channel. I'm me, your goddess. I hope you enjoy this video. Friday to Sunday, because I'm really in a slump right now. This room is not looking its best. I don't know why. I just feel like I've been in this slump for the longest, and I don't know, I've been staying up later than usual. I'm like a morning person, and I can't get up in the morning. I'm just tired. I just got done filming a video today. It was a orientation video, and while I was making it, I was just so tired. I just felt I don't know, I felt like I was just forcing myself to do it. And then while I was editing the video, I was just like, do I really want to do this? I was just really questioning it. I was like, do I really want to do this? And I'm just like, I do. And I just sat down for a little bit. I thought to myself, what is going on with me? Why am I feeling this type of way? And how can I change it? So I just want to document myself just getting out of the slump and making myself feel better in some type of any type of way. I got so much concealer, this is actually so mind-sucking right now. But I just need a chance to just free myself from this room. Well, not really, but at the same time I do. And when I come back, just allow myself to clean up the room, get myself back together, and find myself again. Because honestly, I just felt like I lost myself. I really felt like I just lost myself, and I don't know how, I don't know, whatever. But honestly, I was just editing a video. I think I already said that. I was just editing a video, and I just got so tired and I just couldn't do it anymore. Now I'm just gonna quickly set my face. I wish I had what's it called, a beauty blender. I had some. I don't know what happened to them. If this one doesn't look any lighter, it's because I changed my other one. But I feel like that one was just way too bright for me. I didn't like it. So I'm gonna just let that sit for a while, and I'm gonna fix my eyeliner. I just need to just get myself back together. I really do. I just need to I was thinking of taking a small break from YouTube for a while to kind of let myself breathe, because all I've been really doing was focusing on YouTube, and YouTube, it wasn't becoming my life. It was to the point where I was just I need to make sure that I have videos after videos after videos after videos. But YouTube is really not the reason why I've been feeling this way. I feel like I've been feeling this way because I've just been, I don't know, I've just been losing it. And also because of my current job, that's also really draining too, because times I have to stay out all night. I love my job. I love working there because it's honestly really fun, because I get to go out, I get to go eat, I get to meet famous people, and have a great time in the end. I always have a great time. And also I get paid good. Every week I make $100, which may not sound good, but getting paid every week and $100 every week, I mean 2 weeks is $200 or whatever. But I feel like I'm pretty good with my salary. But I just need to touch up my makeup, just kind of find a way to get myself out of the predicament I'm currently in, because honestly it really isn't a fun place at all. I remember this other time I was just really drained, and I was just so out of it and confused while I was out of it. I was like, what happened? What went wrong? But it happens it happens to the best of people. Why is it so dark? Am I the only one who said it hecka dark? Oh yeah, no, I don't like the way that looks. Oh, and I'm going school shopping next week with my dad. And of course, you guys, I'm going to record. You know what I should do? I should do a makeup tutorial. Oh, you guys seen that? Almost dropped my camera. Gotta pick up my goddamn bag, bro. I don't know why, but I'm just super clumsy. I have another minute today. I love this. Oh yeah, I wanted to do a makeup tutorial. Even though it's I've done my makeup on here a trillion times, I feel it'd be quite easy to figure out what my makeup tutorial is. But for the fun of it, and this for more content, last video that's gonna be post, I honestly really like that video, because I feel the end of the video, that's when me starting to feel drained started. Feeling it after that night. That's why I wasn't able to make an outro, which I was really sad about too. I was I love making my outros. Not tonight. I never fit my brushes in here, but today I'm deciding to do it. You guys can't tell. I feel like I'm rushing right now. I am, but I'm not at the same time, because I kind of had to do this last minute, because I honestly didn't even know I was going into work today. till I was reminded. So that's what I'm going to do real quick. And I'm honestly like super excited. Today, this documents the first day I'm going to get out of the slump. Okay, so currently I'm outside. I just got done folding half of the clothes, and I'm just gonna like do the rest when I get back. Honestly, the start it felt amazing. I'm not even gonna lie, the start it felt amazing. So it was like I kind of had like a little thought to myself while I was doing it. I was like humming and stuff like that, and it just felt really nice. Right now we're gonna go to downtown Seattle, so you know we can do what I need to do. Okay, so I was kind of in a rush today. I wasn't able to like do my makeup or anything, so we just had to go out bare. I don't mind really at all. I want to do my lashes real quick, like put on some mascara. But today I'm going to be doing some door dashing today with my Nana. Ooh, my knees are ashy. Oh my god. Use some lotion. I use some lotion. Can I use some of your lotion? Yeah. You see it? Yeah, my knees are ashy. I just realized that. Lotion. Mascara on my glasses. Okay, but right now we're at the gas station. My mom told me to get something to eat, but I'm not even hungry like that. I've never been. Like, I was supposed to wake up early, like around 7:30 a.m. to, you know, like get my stuff together and start editing the video I made yesterday. But I was so tired. I don't know why, but I was just like completely tired to do anything. So once I get back home, I'm going to have to edit the video that I already made because I don't want to like completely stress myself out about it. And the reason why I sound like so is because I think you said this, but I woke up late and I had to hurry up and get dressed so I can come to the car. But honestly, it feels nice to be out in the car, like just be anywhere but home. Not saying that I don't like my home, but I don't know. I just like seeing the world, like being out. Okay, so right now I'm in the store. I just got me some water and an egg sandwich. Also got this other thing. It was like pudding thing that had like little crackers. Okay. Okay, so I'm just about to eat this egg sandwich right now, and then we're gonna go back dashing. I actually haven't recorded like anything because I haven't gone out and done anything.